Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to integrate WhatsApp with Klaviyo. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've jumped into Klaviyo, you'll see on your homepage, it'll give you a pop-up asking you if you would like to add WhatsApp. Now, let's just say you've clicked that little X and it's not here anymore. Well, you can go down to your organization name, click on that, go into settings. Within settings, you'll see over here, right at the top, there's account, billing, email. As you go down, you'll see WhatsApp. Now, all you need to do, go ahead and click on begin WhatsApp setup. Click on that here. If you are still currently using WhatsApp for your business, you're going to go and select one of these three. So my business does not use WhatsApp. I'm using WhatsApp through another provider. I'm using WhatsApp Business app. Now I'm using WhatsApp Business app. So click on this. And over here, it'll take a few actions outside of Klaviyo in your current WhatsApp Business account. And then you need to set up your WhatsApp account during Meta's hosting sign up experience. So these will be some additional steps. So you need to export your chat history if you want to keep your old conversations. That's very important. Turn your phone number to step verification on for your existing WhatsApp account. And then during your setup, Meta will send a one-time code by text or by phone call to verify the number. Now you can get a new number over here. It'll be a completely new number, not listed or connected to your current WhatsApp. For now, we're going to go and click on next. You'll see over here, you need to check access. So check that you have an email, phone number, and a password for your business's Facebook page. That is something else you need. And then you must be an admin of your Meta business account. If you don't have an account, you need to create one during the setup and it'll prompt you to do so. Go ahead, click on connect to WhatsApp. You will now be fast forwarded to this page over here. This will connect Facebook or your business page to Klaviyo, and here you can see your business portfolio and then your WhatsApp business account. So again, if you don't have one, you can go and click on create a WhatsApp business account, click on next, enter your business information, so name, category, let's say education, country, choose the country there, let's go, and then we have website, time zone. There's a couple more options here, but then we're going to say next. All right, over here you can see you'll need to add your WhatsApp phone number. So WhatsApp will generate a virtual number for your messages only. You can initiate or receive calls. So you cannot initiate or receive calls or text messages, right? So you can either choose this or you can choose add a new number, and then you'll literally just choose your number. So go ahead and get your country code, enter your number, and then you'll need to verify this. So go ahead and choose either a text message or a phone call. All right, you can see over here, we are going to review what you'll share with Klaviyo. You can see we've got the business account and all the rest of this. Go ahead, click on confirm. Now you need to connect your account. This will just take a few minutes, so give it the time that it needs. Your account is now connected to Klaviyo. You'll see over here all of the details. Go ahead, click on finish. You're now connecting to WhatsApp. This will take a few minutes, so make sure that you don't leave the page, close it, or refresh it. All right, now if you get this, you need to just go and open Meta and you need to get approval from Meta. But what's basically happening here is that your temporary phone number, you can add another number over there, and then you can go ahead and start using WhatsApp within Klaviyo.